Yo! Sorry, y'all. I got like boxes and stuff out. I'm moving tomorrow. This is the last stream that you'll ever see. This is the last stream you'll ever see in this setup. Ever. Ever. Well, maybe Road to Funded, but I don't know. I don't know. Last stream in the setup. It's crazy. Yeah, I got to plug. How we doing this morning? I'm going live kind of early. Bro, my hair is crazy today. I don't know what happened. All right. Yo, we're live early. Do you think anyone knows? All right, give me a second. Okay. All right. Let's get into this. All right. Bro, I've been backtesting like a. I'm not gonna lie. I've been backtesting. And I kind of want to share some data with you guys. But basically, I was backtesting a lot. I've been backtesting a lot. And basically, I found out something that I might stick with. I might just stick to a model. Well, not a model, but like an entry criteria. All right, let's put on some jazz, and let's get started. Okay, 1 second. All right. Yeah, we live early today. What's good, Dustin? What's good, Peter? How y'all doing? I haven't really looked at this chart too much because this just doesn't look appealing to me at all. Anytime we just have a big imbalance like this, usually consequent encroachment is the draw. So that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking to see how react off a consequent encroachment of this gap. Right now, we're kind of within keying off of 2 imbalances here. If we look at ES, we have taken these highs here, so we do have SMTs at the fair. We do have SMT at the highs, and we do have SMT at these highs, but I don't really care too much about that. Like, I don't really care too much about SMTs, bro. I'm just here to play what the charts are giving me. Sometimes, or I want to say sometimes, but a lot of time I get too overly centered over the bias or over an SMT, and then that just clouds me. Earnings for value gap, yeah. I'm treating it like a CPI candle. That's kind of what this just looks like, a CPI or PPI candle to me, honestly. Look at DXY. I haven't really done too much analysis this morning. Kind of just hopped on, but ooh, DXY looks bullish now. So this does look bearish for equities, honestly. Like I was saying yesterday, we drew back into that daily fair value gap. That's this daily fair value gap. Also, this 4-hour order block. Look how well we're respecting this. Do we have a 1-hour CISD? Yes, we do. We have a 1-hour CISD. This just looks pretty clean, honestly. This looks pretty bullish. I'm expecting this high to be the draw, and then all these low resistance highs here. So that's what I'm looking at on DXY. But in terms of that, we have news at 10 a.m. What is the news? Because I made a mistake of the other day of It was like, oh, it's consumer sentiment. I do think consumer sentiment will do something. But what I'm looking at on NQ at least is like we've already manipulated. Here, I actually let's backtest just 1 minute real quick. I want to see the days that we've had 8:30 and the days we've had 8:30 news, then 10 a.m. news. So you guys want to do that real quick? Just while we're waiting for market to open. Let's look at Forex Factory, and then let's look at, well, we're gonna do it anyways. I don't care if you want to or not. Okay, what are some days we've had 8:30 and 10 a.m. news? I want to say it doesn't happen too often. Thursday, March 28th. Thursday, March 28th. All right. We'll do like 100. It doesn't matter. And then we'll say yes. And Q. And then we'll just say 8:30. 10. Okay. Wait, what day was it? It was Thursday, March 28th. So we'll start at like Thursday, March 27th. I just want to test this real quick. Cause y'all gotta be down because it's happening. It's happening. All right, let's open up the charts and let's see just what's going on here. All right, right now, just by looks at this, we've just gone from internal range liquidity. I'm expecting external range. Looks kind of bullish. Oh, I kind of this is kind of like recent, so I know we don't end up taking this high. Let's see what happens. This is that Wednesday though. So it's the 28th when we have 10:30, 8:30 and 10. All right, we'll skip a day. All right, Thursday. Okay. Skip to London at least. Skip to London. All right, let's zoom out. 4 hour. I think I remember us taking this low, or I don't know if we do take this low, but right now we have this 4 hour fair value gap. I want to see this hold. Let's look at ES. What's ES at the time? Yeah, ES looks bullish. ES, I'm expecting the draw to be this high, so I'm looking to see this 4 hour get held. We also have a 4 hour breaker here, so I'm looking at this as well. So we have a unicorn possible. Yeah. Let's see what news does. Let's see what. So we have 8:30 and then we have 10:30 and 10 news. What I'm trying to get at is that if 8:30 news manipulates us, 10 a.m. news will push us towards the draw. Will displace us is what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's see this 8:30. Right now, fair value gap's holding. So 8:30 news manipulates. This takes buy side. All right, then we have 10. This should push us higher. It's kind of anticlimactic. So 8:30 news 6 stops, and then 10 a.m. news didn't really do much. I don't know. I don't. What was that? What was this? What was the setup? Oh, this would have been a nice possible long. I don't know. Did I take a trade this day? What is this? This is March 28th. Let me see. I'm gonna look at my journal. Yo, do you have Twitter? I do not. Look at the daily order block on NQ. Give me 1 second. I didn't take a trade that day. Okay. Alright. Yeah, I'm gonna exit this. I really don't really need that. Oh yeah, I forgot. I use TradingView desktop now, so it's I'm not using Chrome anymore. All right, let's look at the actual charts. Enough of this. You saw daily order block? Look at the daily order block on NQ. What daily order block? This one? You have to send a picture of it because I don't know what you're saying. I actually do have Twitter. I'd never use it though. I can pull it up. It's called like Hustle with Caleb. I think it'll pull it up. Yeah. I don't know why it pulls up that tweet every time. Turn on. Do I? Brother. Oh. Wait. If I don't have B-AGGA on, I'm actually gonna be mad. Oh no. Yeah. I'm chilling. Cause I started using the NQM. I started using the NQM, so it already adjusts for it. So I don't have to turn on B-AGGA. I don't think so. So yeah, I had that issue a minute ago, and all right, this is a powerful PD right here. This redelivered, rebalanced. I'm just gonna mark it out like that. Yo, what's good, Luca? How you doing, bro? You were liquidity. I'm looking for that as a point bounce higher. I'm expecting the draw to be at least consequent encroachment of this fair value gap. Bro, I'm not gonna lie. I've been doing some back testing. Like heavy, and I think I found like my entry. I think I found my entry model. It's pretty much in a market maker model. But I've been doing back testing, and I'm gonna show you guys like a few examples. But literally, these are not cherry picked examples. This is literally every single market maker model that I saw while I was back testing, and then this is every single market maker model that completed. So if you know the draw and liquidity, this will literally show up pretty much every single time. And this is what I've been back testing. And it's basically hello? It's basically, so this is what I do is I like draw it out in highlighter, and then I go over, I take a picture of it, and then I annotate it. But basically, anytime we have a market maker model, a breaker or an old selling point, when we create an order block within that breaker or in that old selling point, we will respect that 90% of the time. 90% of the time. Look at this breaker, this mitigation, and then we create an order block within that range, and then we respect it. I've been backtesting this. I got a few examples too. Notice we have breaker, we have an order block within there, we respect it. Even here, you can draw this out in time. This is the mitigation right here. We form an order block within that, we respect it. But I mean, I guess the draw was here, so. was the one I just looked at. We have a mitigation. The order block we put in there, it just gets respected. Like literally every single every single model that pretty much every single model. We have a breaker. That order block that's formed in there gets respected. We have an old selling point. The order block that gets put in there is respected. So I've been backtesting that, and I want to backtest it a lot more. But I'm pretty sure, like, I'm gonna start. Like, obviously, the draw on liquidity is the most important part. But like, if you have a confident draw on liquidity, you can pretty much enter it off of that. And I'm gonna continue to backtest that because it's not something I'm just gonna like full on like go in with. But I'm saying like pretty much every single thing that I've noticed, every single model that I've noticed that has completed, you have that. Are you bullish or bearish today? I'm pretty bearish, but I don't like this news. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. But notice yesterday, all we did was just put in low resistance liquidity. So if we break through this news, if we break through this like earnings candle, like this is definitely the draw. So like notice all this. Where's my highlighter so I can abuse it? Notice all this. What is all this? Just low resistance liquidity. And I found out how to use the highlighter. If you have a highlighter, you guys probably don't ever want to do it. And then if you right click, it undoes it. It undoes it. And then if you do Control Z, it just undoes what you did. And I want to show you guys another example. Like let's look at, okay, just show you guys that I'm not cherry picking anything. Let's crunch up. Well, I like to be on the 1 minute. Let's just go to Monday, April 15th. I've been backtesting this. I want to show you guys this before. Are you kidding? Hello? What's your daily bias? Bearish. BK, breaker, and order block on the 3 minute on NQ. Alright, we'll see if I can yeah, let's look at the charts right now. I just don't know if I want to target anything. Oops, headphones are dying. But yeah, like, yo, I'm moving. This is the last setup. In this place. So let's make it a good stream. So I'd hop on early just because. But like, I got all my bags packed up. Like, pretty much, like, I'm ready to move. Are you winning, son? Yeah, we winning in life right now. We winning over here. I just don't like this candle. If I were to take a trade, ideally you could target equilibrium of that, but all right. So pretty much the theory that I'm. Let's zoom in. 3 minute breaker. I don't see the breaker. Where's the breaker? Oh, I see it. I see this 5 minute redelivered rebalance PD array. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called. Where are you going? I'm moving like 10 minutes away. It's like right. It's 10. Yeah, like 10 minutes away. All right, I wanna show y'all this. Wait, let's do like back. Let's pull up FX replay real quick. Let's pull up FX replay. Let's create a new session. $1,000 pairs. Yes. Cause I think I might have found my entry model. I'm not gonna lie. You just have to have the draw on liquidity. Okay, let's just do a random date. October 11th. Cool. Cherry picked. Alright, I want to show you all. Alright, this looks like a market maker sell model. Alright, so here we have a breaker. This order block inside of the breaker is going to get respected if we are in sell side of the program. And then say we have areas of old selling. This order block will get respected, or should if we are bearish. Old selling point. Order blocks within here should get respected. You would want to use the last up close series. So I'll just short this right now, just for sakes of the example. I want to do a market order. Hello? Why is it? Whoa! That's what I'm saying. Market maker model. I think I might have found a cheat code. Let's look at it over here. Let's look at it over here on the 5 minute. This is a market maker model. It played out. We took buy side. We had a market maker model. It's on the 5 minute. So what are you looking for? Old buying or breakers, mitigations. So this order block will get respected. We never tap into it. Then what are you looking at? This right here. Do we have an order block within there? Yes. This order block. Then that would be your entry. Put your stop below this low or something, and then you would take it up to buy side. But I've been backtesting that, and like pretty much like damn near every single time it works. If we form it. Alright, let's see. Right now, draw still these lows. We have a mitigation here, so I'm expecting this to get held. Alright, draws met. Let's see, do we get market structure shift? Could we possibly be in buy side delivery? Nope. What am I waiting for? Maybe a possible retracement here? To higher time frame PD array? Or no, I would like to see a... Okay, now we kind of have a market structure shift. I don't know. This does look like this is breaker. So now is your order block range. See if we displace lower. This should hold. Put a limit order. See, the draw isn't this low. The draw wasn't actually that low. It's if it is the actual draw. Put that into perspective. If the draw is correct. Because it can kind of tell. I might start using this to like tell me like what the draw like really is. Because like you can look at that real time and say like, hey, are we respecting this? No, we're not. The draw is likely these highs. I don't know. Maybe I'm just like far-fetched. I'm like, I don't know, but my mind's like exploded right now. Okay, we just took highs here. Do we displace lower? And that's like on the 1 minute too. Like you can use this. Price is fractal. Okay, the draw was this high. Let's see. We don't really have any breaker. So you can't really use it on this. I mean, maybe on the 1 minute. Or yeah, on the 1 minute you can. What are you looking for? Market structure shift. We have old buying here. Cool. Order block created within old buying. That's your entry. Stop goes below this low. You can target buy side all the way up here. And what's good about this is like, if order flow is bullish, order flow will be bullish. You see here, what are you looking for? This order block down here. Boom, enter, and it's. I don't know if I'm just talking to no one right now. Dog, you're overcomplicating it. Trade red news and look for. Nah, bro. Anytime anyone says you're overcomplicating it, I don't know. I just like, the more you overcomplicate it, the more precise your trading will be. You know, the better entries you'll get. Like goddamn, you think the market's just gonna be a little? It's gonna give you. You're gonna get. I don't know. I like, you know, ICT. He has like OCD, so like he's been able to, like, he gets very precise with it. I'm like, yeah, you don't have to like overcomplicate it, but I would say that's pretty simple. You just look for a mitigation block or a breaker block, and then order block that forms within that will get respected if the draw on liquidity is correct. If the draw on liquidity is correct, literally every single time it happens. If the draw on liquidity is correct. You don't believe me? Let's look at this. I mean, you don't really have an example here. Okay, we'll say that's kind of cherry picked. You can say here we have a breaker, then the order block that gets formed within there will get respected. So like, let's just say hypothetically, it's just, I don't know. I was backtesting and I randomly found it. So breaker, and then you look in that order block range, these will get respected. These should get respected. Hey, I ran Expert Pro, you're expert. Hey, thanks for this up, bro. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. You can do whatever you want, but it's hard to build an actual edge when all your trades are different. That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to dial it down into like trading one model, and I think that this is just like so powerful. Like, okay, let's go to the 5 minute. Let's go to the 5 minute, and I just want to. I think it works on like literally every market maker model. Every single market maker model that we have that gets completed. We'll kind of study this. Okay, let's go back as far as we can, because I was kind of back testing it with stuff over there. Okay, draw on liquidity is this low. This is the draw. Where's your smart money reversal? It looks like it's up here. What are you looking for? A breaker. Breakers here. Then what are you looking for? The order block range that gets formed within the breaker. What is that? That's right here. What gets respected? That order block perfectly to sell side. All right. What's draw on liquidity? Here. It's hindsight. We know the draw on liquidity was here. Is this high? What are you looking for? We're looking for that breaker or mitigation. All right. Order block range gets formed. Everything below this should get this order block should get respected. Okay, we never come back within that order block. Now, what are you looking for? More points of old selling. Okay, order block range gets formed within here. Boom, buy side. Wait, is it actually a thing? Is it actually a thing? If it is a thing, bro, I'm gonna be a PA model 13 video.
business foundation. After the first frame,
Does he actually show? Oh, are you just saying that?
most of you probably don't have yet, but it's something to keep in mind.
Your model could be the 5. I don't know. I still need to figure it. I'm still kind of trying to experiment what works for me. So like I'm in a phase to where I'm trying to just soak in information and soak in what I want to work for me, and then like I don't know. This might be sauce for me. Like it really clicks in my brain. Okay, what are we looking here? We're looking for a breaker. Where is the breaker? The breaker here? I couldn't even tell you, dog. We don't have a breaker, so it'd be a mitigation. We'll say this. Alright, that's your mitigation. What do you want to look for? Order block. Gets respected. You probably have your stop here. Straight to buy side. What are you looking for here? You have your breaker. Then what do you have in here? You have your order block range. Draw gets met. Here. You have your breaker. What are you looking for? Your order block. Draw gets met. Like, it's... I had like an epiphany last night, bro. What are you looking for? Your breaker. Then what are you looking for? Your order block that gets formed within that breaker. Respected till the draw and liquidity is met. Even here. Like, I don't know. What are you looking for here? Mitigation, old selling. It gets formed within this one. Then, order block. Boom. Gets respected to buy side. Like, if the draw and liquidity is correct, like this literally gets respected every single time. When is market open? We still got 4 minutes. I might start just taking trades off of this, honestly. Like, it like literally works every single time. There's the draw and liquidity. Okay, draw and liquidity is these highs. What are you looking for? Your mitigation or your breaker. Breaker. Oh, then what are you looking for? Your order block. What gets respected to the tick? Order block. Where do we go? Buy side. Is the draw all the way down there? Do we end up taking that? Okay, we do. What are you looking for? Your breaker. Then what gets formed within that? Your order block range. You kind of want to use the last candle. Oh, that never got tapped though, so you probably wouldn't have got a fill there. But even if you use this, boom, would have got respected. Draw and liquidity met. So every entry model, yeah, that's what I'm saying though. That's also what I'm saying is that literally, yeah, every entry model does work when you have the draw and liquidity. That's what I'm saying. So I need to do a lot more back testing with it and get more comfortable with it. But all I'm saying is that like I had a little eye-opening experience when I was back testing. Like I was just kind of vibing, and then I figured I was just like looking at market maker models. Where did you learn your market maker MMXM? I would say watch MMXM Trader. I'll pull up there. There's like a thing from Robinhood. MMXM, of course. I've watched this post like I binge watched this in like a day, and then I watched this video. I watched this like 2 or 3 times. But yeah, that, and then like obviously other videos. But still learning, still a student to this. All right, looks like we're gonna hit consequent encroachment of this gap. So what PD ray do you see the easiest? Honestly, breaker blocks, which is why I like it. A breaker block and then pair that with the order block. I see that very nice. Why you being Hollywood? What do you mean? What do you mean being Hollywood? I'm guessing it wasn't ICT because I never resonated with the setups you call your. Yeah, ICT doesn't really go over market maker models. Like, he doesn't. A market maker model for me is just anytime that we're generating liquidity. This is what a market maker model is in my eyes. I can use the highlighter. Okay. Anytime we generate liquidity to then have a higher time frame PD array to then have a smart money reversal. Like this is what a market maker model is for me. Backtest 5-minute breaker 8:30 11 on red folder news. Hold up. All right, let's lock in. I mean, let's lock in here. Yeah, I need to do a lot more backtesting, but FX replay is so worth it because you're able to literally see every single chart that's pretty much ever been in existence. Thank you. You're able to see so many days. ICT created it. I don't really know who created it, and I don't really care, but I'm pretty sure it was around before ICT. It was like Wyckoff. No, it wasn't Wyckoff. It was I don't know. I think it's been around for. I don't care who created it. I just care that it's a thing, it's a concept, and that I'm gonna master it. Yeah, I don't care who created it. I simply don't. I feel people get too fed up or too like, oh, ICT didn't create anything. I mean, I don't really care. That's what I learned too. There's 3 entries: a low risk entry, a first first stage redistribution, second stage redistribution, and then if first redistribution doesn't reach 50% of the range, then it's invalidated. Yeah. That's pretty. Yeah, that's. I don't know why I just stuttered like 8 times. Obviously, we have this big gap here to the left. I'm probably gonna wait for 10 a.m. news. Oh, I thought that was the. I thought the candle was the sidebar here. You created it? Facts. Jamal. No, I think it's crazy how I haven't gave Luca a mod. I need to do that real quick. That's actually crazy. I feel bad. You definitely deserve it. Let me see if I can do it right now. There's one time I tried to do it, and then I banned Shamal. I tried to give him a mod. Let's see. Just gotta go to my channel. Good morning, Ant-Man. Good morning, Anthony. Yeah, I don't know how this wasn't a thing. I feel bad. I mean, it's not like if you're a moderator, it's not like you really do anything. Like, let's be honest. You just can delete a chat. I'm pretty sure that's it. That's like all I need it for. And even now, like, there's only been like one ever time in my whole time streaming. All right, consequent encroachment of this gap's been met. I'm pretty bearish. If we look to the left, like this is just low resistance liquidity. I'm trying, like, would this be the breaker? It's a low, high, lower, low. Technically, yeah. Right? So, if we're looking at that model, this order block would be your entry. But it's not really a model. It's more about, like, whatever the draw on liquidity is. Oh yeah, Anthony, you missed me. I discovered an entry that like works pretty much every single time. But I guess you can say that every entry works every single time. But I feel like it's a lot more it's a lot easier than just saying like there's a fair value gap. Like we're gonna respect a fair value gap. Look at NQ on the daily. Daily fair value gap, we're still within. SMT at highs. Can you explain SMT? Took a nice buy on gold around open. It was kind of like a market maker boss. Nice. Are you kidding? Wait, what does that do? What does that do, y'all? Do I want that on? Can you explain about SMT? SMT is a divergence between correlating assets. So you want to know which assets correlate? So say one asset does this, and then the other asset does that. This is your SMT. So therefore, you're anticipating a possible reversal if the contact's there. Keep it off. Yeah, wait. Was there not an order block here? Was there not an order block there? Yeah, I got you. That isn't there otherwise. Okay, I see. Thank you for letting me know. Is it on? Okay, I see. Appreciate it. So yeah, I guess we do kind of have a daily order block. I don't really love it though. It's kind of like a very small level. Do you watch Flux trades? Yeah, I do. But I don't know. He only trades like the 950 macro. That's kind of where I really learned about the 950 macro. But even then, I didn't really like learn too much about it. I mean, I feel like he's all right. I don't really love his trading style. Like he goes for like 20 points and then It's like, oh, this is your 20 points here, which is nothing wrong with that. That's great, but I don't know. I feel like he trades a little bit different than how I would want to. Yeah, structure just isn't clean yet, and I'm waiting for structure. I'm waiting for that 10 a.m. news. I want to see consumer sentiment. I want to see what that does. But we have already manipulated, if this is the manipulation, so. Should we full port the My Fun and Futures account today? Full port Friday, y'all. I'm playing. It's not good, but it wasn't there with it on. It's not good. You can miss some. Yeah, I would agree. I appreciate it, dude. I've had some like if I would never live stream, my charts would still be. I would still not have B-AGJ on. What do you guys like better, white and black, or gray and black? I'll try and decide. I feel like I kind of like the white and black a little bit better. We have news in 20 minutes. Yes, not taking this high. We're getting some displacement. $9.50 macro opens up in 10 minutes. We just rated buy side here. I would now want to see this become the breaker. $8:30 news already manipulated us. So I'm expecting the 10 a.m. news to be distribution lower. But notice how well consequent encroachment of this gap is holding. Consequent encroachment of this gap is holding perfectly. Full view trading is my go-to channel after Suts the bro. Full view trading, I've never seen that, honestly. But appreciate it. Appreciate it. I think the up move might be Judah's possibly. Yeah, this looks pretty bearish. We have SMT at these highs too. I'm not gonna mark it yet because a lot of times I'll mark this music's so fire for trading. I'm not honestly not. I listen to different music. I would say it's chill for like backgrounds of streams, you know? What news? We have consumer sentiment. Where you been? Wait, I want to see AMC. I'm curious. You remember that? You guys know that one guy keeps on coming in the streams? He could be onto something. Let's check DXY. I don't think I've even checked DXY yet. Oh yeah, I have. DXY looks bullish. So DXY being bullish just would add to my bearish bias. YM? Oh no, that's NASDAQ. YM looks so bearish. No, I want to say so bearish. YM looks pretty bearish. Minute one unicorn? Yeah, I want to see that. I want to see this. I want to see this get respected. Where is it? I want to see this breaker get respected. And then now this order block is what I would look to enter off of. Keep an eye out for the daily fair value gap above as well. Yeah, ES, I do like ES a lot. ES is within this daily fair value gap. So I really think that we're gonna go from I'm pretty bearish today. This looks pretty bearish. And yesterday, notice what did we do yesterday? What did we do yesterday, guys? What did we do yesterday? The only thing I don't like is just this gap. Like, I don't love it. I don't love it. If we displace through that, then I think we're gonna get sell model. But just look at all this low resistance liquidity. Low resistance. I want to see this breaker get respected. 950 macro in 6 minutes. You mean on NQ? Yeah, we kind of came into it though. Are you talking about this one? Yeah, you talking about this one? I swear, I'm tripping. Usually my thing is... Yeah, you're probably talking about this one. It's definitely possible. We do have SMT at the highs, but... We also do have this 4-hour fair value gap. So, what can we use to frame a reversal? Higher time frame inbound, or higher time frame PD array, than SMT. So I want to see structured, ideally validate us to go lower. So like I want to see displacement lower to tell us that we want to go lower. Right now we've hit. I don't have like a clear draw on liquidity. I'm very loose. This looks like it could be bearish though. Internal stop rate. This also is SMT, but I'm not going to mark out the SMT. I don't like how we're not respecting this breaker. Ideally, we would respect this breaker if we're bearish. Yeah, we're waiting. I want to see displacement to really validate. Yo, what's good, Evan? How you doing? Yeah, but if we're bullish, we should respect the fair value up to go higher. There's also more. Yeah, I notice how this. I don't like this big news, this big earnings candle, because this could be an internal to external market maker model here. This could be internal range to external range. Like, I don't really care too much about the SMT, honestly. Internal range liquidity to external range liquidity. That's what this could be, so. And notice where we respected perfectly. Consequent encroachment of the gap. So I'm pretty loose right now. Yeah, this breaker didn't hold. This looks kind of bullish. NQ I will continue to the upside because he tapped the fair value gap one day in target ERL. Talking about the 1 hour fair value gap here. Yeah, I'm thinking this could be internal range to external range. That's what we could have. But this also could be internal range daily for value gap to external range down here. So we could do one of two things. Or we could do two of two things. So I'm just gonna let it play out. This just doesn't look appealing. Like, if I come to the markets, I want to be one-sided and just be able to see one thing happening and then play that. But if it's like two things can happen, it's just not favorable. What I do like as well is that we have low resistance liquidity below us. So that's kind of what I'm looking at as well. We have macro opening up in 1 minute. We've had like a stop right here. I'll pull up YM. YM looks like we're in a buy model. YM looks like the draw is that high. Breaker, order block. Yeah, YM looks like the draw is this high. This looks kind of bullish. Alright, macro just opened up. If we were to trade the SUT strat, it would be this order block. This would be your entry. Or it would kind of be off of here. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do this high. This looks bullish. Yeah, we're gonna spool towards that. Now the SUT, what would the SUT entry be? It would still be here. What is a macro? It's a time when we're just going to spool towards price. Justin made 30K yesterday? That's crazy. He took longs? Really? Did he take an entry here? And then let his runners? I'm not in tactical traders anymore. Got ended. He like the last month I was in it, he just like would never do chart reviews or charting sessions. Which, I mean, it makes sense because he's probably burnt out of them, or he's want to focus on the mastermind, I guess, or like the masterclass. Yeah, check his Twitter. I don't really. I actually have been diving into Twitter like a little bit. Oh, speaking of the devil, what's my Twitter? Did he not show his actual entry? $30K is crazy. Pretty much any of these order blocks are validated by using the. I need to backtest. Over the weekend. I'm gonna backtest this strategy a lot. But we do have news in 7 minutes, so it's likely just gonna push us to this high. This looks like we are generating liquidity to then have a smart money reversal and have first stage, second stage, then reach the draw on liquidity. I'm looking at these order blocks here. We have a what was this mitigation? What's formed inside the mitigation? An order block that'll likely get us bought up if we come down here. Market structure shift. Hey, thanks for the sub. Appreciate it, bro. I don't think we'll return back into the order block. Which tab am I logged in? How do I log out? Oh, I just do this. Iron Hype, appreciate it. If you guys haven't liked the stream, I would really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. Remember news? Yeah, news will just push us to the draw though. News should just push us to the draw. The draw is clearly this high. I would like to see this order block. Wait for news? Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I think it'll just probably push us. How's everyone doing today, bro? Dude, I'm not gonna lie. I've been up all night just backtesting, bro. Like I really want this so bad, bro. But I think it's kind of crazy. I don't know. I'm kind of pushing back like my health, I would say, just like a little bit, because I want it so bad. Like I want to become profitable so bad. So like I'm kind of pushing my health back like a little bit, which I don't love right now, but I don't know if I'm gonna like regret it, but I don't think I will at all, because like this is really, I really want to become like a better trader, a profitable trader, and like I think that'll make just the streams just so much better as well. Like if I'm profitable as well, but like regardless, I say I'm profitable every single day. I tell myself I'm profitable because I am profitable. Damn straight. News in 2 minutes. Looks very bullish. No retracement. I want to see this order block. I want to see this tap this order block. But I doubt we will before news. News will probably just push us. So bad? Yo, what's good, J. Lou? How you doing, brother? JXY is still bullish though. Got news in 30 seconds. Again, I'm still expecting this to pump us up there. I'll be a profitable trader so bad. It'll come with time if you put in the work. Like, I'm in no rush as well either. Should push us. We might come back down, tap this order block. That would be the best case scenario. I'll place an order on the order block. I doubt it. I doubt it'll get filled. If this high gets taken before that, though, then I'm not gonna take it. Well, being healthy is more important than being profitable, because if you're profitable but not healthy, you'll end up spending all those profits on recovering your health anyway. You get, yeah. Well, I'm not unhealthy. Don't get me wrong. Chill, man, ready to kill it today. If the setups are there. Me too. I want to get tapped in here. But I'm expecting this to just get the draw to get met here. Got 2 risk to reward. Close my trade a minute before news. Awesome, bro. Keep killing it, bro. I'm gonna be healthy when I'm profit. Yeah. I mean, I'm not like unhealthy. I'm not eating like I went for a nice run yesterday. Like, all I'm saying is that I just want to become. I want trading more than anything. Like, I'm obsessed. Like, I'm fully obsessed. Like, I can hardly sleep. Like, I wake up in the middle of the night during London sometimes. And I'm just like thinking about the charts. Do you guys do that, or is that just me? It's kind of sad. Like, I'll wake up in the middle of the night, like thinking about the charts. So like, what do you think London's doing right now? Like, it's kind of sad. Where you from? I'm from Colorado. But United States, Colorado. So macro means there's a possible an entry every day between. Yeah. If you want to know more about the 950 macro, 1000%, I would recommend you looking at. Like, I have the greatest. If you want to learn more about the 950 macro, 1000% flex trades. 1000%. And then watch. Here's a. Let's look up flex trades 950 macro. He pretty much trades the 950 macro every single day. Yeah, watch that. And then watch that. Gonna wait. We could see like a sell model. London set should be been clean. Yeah, it depends. Today? Yo, I wanna. Okay, see, so we had a market maker sell model. Looking for a breaker. I don't like how it's on MNQ. Okay, we had a market maker sell model. I never even looked at this. We had sell side delivery. What are you looking for? You're looking for breaker or mitigation. And then you're looking for the order block that gets formed within there. Okay, we don't form an order block within that. So, what are you looking for? You're looking for this. You're looking for an order block that forms within here. Where is that? More accurately, it would be probably, you could say here. Okay, take the order block. Then put your stop. I mean, you might have got stop hunted on that trade. If you used this order block though, you've been chilling. But it's all hindsight. Yo, maybe that's like the first time. But ideally, you want to use the last up closing range, so the highest. I don't know, I still need to back test it. I still need to put it in perspective. We never took this high. It's getting obsessive. Yeah, I'm gonna send the trade I took in the Discord. Bet. Let me look. I'm pretty loose. Alright. Anyone hit the long? I did not. Anyone hit the Benjamin? I'm fine. Bro, I don't know how I'm still alive right now. This is the last stream. This is the last stream in this house. I hope y'all know that. The last stream. Check NQ? What do you mean? We are looking at NQ. Anyone hit? I already said that. If I see this placement, I will short NQ. I want to see this high get met. There's nothing for me to touch yet. This could be a short though. This could play us up for a potential shorting opportunity. Let's see what happens. I'm moving. Do a house/room tour, bro. Last time I tried to do that, it turned off. Basically, I got my bed over there. There's my bathroom over there. It's my I got like a little basketball hoop back there. Got a pull-up bar over there. Got a closet over there. And yeah. Got the mic here. Got my phone right there. Got some gum right there. Got an energy drink right there. And then I got a camelback right there for like no reason. And then yeah, that's the keyboard. This is the POV. Got the stream. I got the charts. Yeah, buddy. Got the charts, and then chilling. That's the house setup. Wait, can I like? Does this zoom? Or is that focus? Oh, that's focus. I never do that. Ah. All right. This just looks pretty bullish. I am expecting these highs to be the draw today. Bullish order flow, unless if we get big displacement. This would have been the entry with my model. My model that I'm backtesting. So there's your breaker, and then order block that gets formed within it. That would have been your entry here to take the buy side. It would have been on the 5 minute. And enter here to the high. Stop at previous low. I don't know, I need to backtest this a lot more, but I think I might have my model, bro. Holding a short on US on UCAD and holding a long on gold. Let me look at gold. All right, gold just taking internal. We're still in all-time highs. Expecting to go back to external. I don't know. I do not like any of gold structure. I don't like any of gold structure. You can buy and target buy side liquidity. Not yet, not yet. It's definitely not the right time to buy. The only time I would look to really enter long is if we get a higher time frame retracement. Like if we form a 1 hour or like a 1 hour 15 minute fair value gap, then I could look to possibly take a long. But definitely not taking a long now. But buy side has just now been met. In terms of possible entries, I don't know. I still don't even like entries. Maybe taking a long off an order block here, but that's too deep of a premium for me, honestly. That's too far of a premium for me. Take an order block there. I'm not gonna take that. But yeah, that could have been your possible entry. Now, bro, sleep is super important. I would definitely agree. I don't know. I feel like I'm built different. I think I'm like growing up. Like every sleepover, I would be like the last person to fall asleep, dude. And like I would stay up. There was a period span when I think I played 2K for like 48 hours straight. I would say straight. I would say like. I would say I think I played like 40 hours out of 48 hours just playing the video game for that long. So like I know I'm capable of doing I know like my work ethic is good enough to where I can do that. If I can do that shit for video games, bro, I should be able to do that with trading. But yeah, I definitely agree with health as well. Right now, I'm going through like a little phase though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm going through a phase. You guys see my activated videos? I kind of been talking about to where like I want trading so bad. I want it so bad to where like I'm kind of willing to risk like and sacrifice a little bit of like my health right now. And like I don't mean that I'm just like on the. I mean, I guess you could say I was pretty much on the charts all night. But like this weekend, I'm moving. This week I'm gonna relax, and I highly doubt I'm gonna be on the charts too much this weekend. Maybe Sunday we might do a chart review or MMXM review. Other than that, I don't know. I probably won't do an MXM review today just because I'm moving tomorrow, so I'm getting everything prepped and I'm pretty much ready to move. I'm honestly expecting a trend day. I honestly think that I can see a trend day. Did you backtest all night? I just kind of, yeah. I'll show you guys. I'm working on a journal. Pretty much, I got a lot of market maker models that I have, and then what I do is I like go over it with highlighter, and then see, like, this would be your low risk entry, first stage, second stage, and then that's your low risk entry, first stage, and then second stage, and you annotate it. And that's how you like really, that's how I've been ingraining them into my brain. And we'll go over textbook. This is a textbook market maker model. Original consolidation to then have your stop rate, to then have your low risk entry, to then have first stage, and then have that silver bullet. Standard deviation applies. OTE retracements. Notice how you have old selling. You have that breaker. You have that breaker block, and then your order block range is what gets respected. You have your old selling point, and then notice that order block range gets respected. So the sub model, I feel like it already is a model, but this is my model that I think I might start using. Like, it literally works on every single market maker model. Okay, so you have a breaker block. You have a breaker. And then the order block range that gets created within that breaker is going to get respected. So you see how we have the breaker right here? This order block range is where you want to enter. You want to enter in off these order blocks. Put your stop. You can put your stop at this high or this high. And then ends up going here. Over here, you have an old selling point. You also have one right here. Is your mitigation. Order block range right here. You want to take an entry off that order block range. So that's what I'm kind of looking at. And then I've been doing some I'm gonna continue to backtest, y'all. Then it just like it pretty much it works every single time. Every single time there's a market maker sell model. Wait. Again, you have an old selling point, and then you have an order block. You take the order block. You target equal lows. Put your stop at this high. Old selling points plus fair value gap plus order block is the entry. And I kind of found that out, and then I'm like, hey, you kind of just need order block and then fair value gap. But yeah, so what is this? A market maker buy model. So then have first stage, second stage, then have your smart money reversal, low risk entry, or kind of first stage silver bullet. Look. Old selling point. The order block that gets created within the old selling is what you take. Look at that. Order block, perfect. Put your stop at that high. Look, old selling, order block gets created, we never tap it. Okay? Old selling, we never create an order block within there. Old selling, you create an order block range within it. You want to take that, put your stop at that high. Boom. So I'm gonna backtest it a lot more. Yeah, I use Notion. If you wanna understand how I use it, it's there's a user YouTube video I have. Look at my YouTube video. How I use Notion. Yeah, use that one. I love seeing these videos, y'all. Like, imagine those videos in like 3 days. Like, a year from now, just seeing those videos, it's gonna be insane. All right. I kind of want to go over more of these examples because here's another market maker sell model. Low risk or smart money reversal, pullback, first stage, second stage. Low risk entry, order block range, or sorry, old selling, order block range. We never tap it here. That one is in a. Look at this. Breaker block. Order block gets created within there. Okay, we never do that. Okay, we never. Old selling point here. Hey, appreciate the sub, Sammy. Order block is and then order block that gets created with it's not that clean here on that example. But yeah. That's kind of what I've been doing. I'm trying to the Suts model. I messed with that. Today is textbook seek and destroy type day. We never took H at low in London. Did we on ES? Yeah, we did on ES. Yeah, I didn't even notice that. That kind of already happened, like, within that news. So, Seek and Destroy already played out on ES. I'm really not expecting much. Today, when have you started your journey? What do you mean? Well, you just scroll on my YouTube. I've literally documented everything. How much is the FX replay plan? It's like $35 a month. I would say you can finesse it though. There's a way to finesse it. If you just keep on creating Gmails and then canceling your subscriptions, bro, you can have FX replay for however long. They give you a 5-day free trials. Hey, appreciate the sub, Tariq, bro. You got going crazy. If you haven't liked the stream, bro, I would appreciate it. I would appreciate it. If you like, you can always unlike the stream after and liking the stream. Oh my God, Muhammad, thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. Y'all are going crazy. How do you use Notion? Is it free? Notion's completely free. Your trading journey, I've just subscribed. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Appreciate the support, y'all. All right, we've now taken highs here. 11 likes. Y'all lacking. We'll make it 20. I think I'm the only girl in here. Hey, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter your gender. We don't discriminate over here. Alright, we just took a buy side. This could be a possible continuation, though. We are within a higher time from PD raise, so gotta be careful. I don't think as long as you're not a they them or something. Yeah. That's funny. I would agree. This looks kind of time out. No timeout. Yeah, that's fine. Like, I'm not gonna say much because I don't really care either. I can't decide if I'm gonna use Justin Whirling color theme or the orange one. I find myself changing every day. Hey, bro, just change every single day. I mean, I don't know. I would personally use Justin's like, I liked him at first, but then once I switched over, they just became too gothic for me, you know? Seems like all ICT students are reunited here. Yeah, that's the goal. Become the best ICT traders we can be. I would just say traders. I don't know. I used to like not want to trade ICT concepts, and then I decided to. And I don't really care what you trade either. Like if you watch me, you don't have to trade ICT concepts. Like Eddie trades dumb money concepts, but they work. People just don't understand. Like I don't know. There was someone that commented on my Instagram post yesterday, and I'm gonna look at it. I don't care whatsoever, but this is what I'm saying, that there's just gonna be so many people, and like I don't care about any hate. Where was it? It was this. Pardon me, but keep it a little simple and don't hesitate. They're like, bro, I literally caught this buy this morning based off common sense. That's why I don't trade ICT. I mean, like, there's always good people that don't trade ICT, and then, like, I don't. Like, don't ever think ICT's concepts are not gonna work, because there's plenty of people that don't trade ICT. It's simple. I kind of want to backtest the SUTS model. Do you guys want to backtest SUTS model? That's what I kind of feel like doing right now. We could forward test SUTS model too, but I don't really see the opportunity to. Let's backtest SUTS model. If you don't want to see SUTS model get backtested, then I don't know what to tell you, brother. It's the SUTS model. You're about to find out. It's currently being backtested. So, all right, right now this is still bearish. Just got from external range, so I'm expecting internal range to be the draw. Let's look on the daily. Yeah, I'm expecting internal range to be the draw. It's 12:15, so still got time left within the day. Was there a SUTS model here? Yep. I mean, this is very scalpy, but it is SUTS model. You got that mitigation line with the order block. You're taking that order block up to buy side. It's like a very scalpy though. Okay, draw still higher. Let's see, is there a possible SMT? We've taken highs here. Okay, we do have SMT at the highs. This could be a market maker sell model here, just internally. Oh, I don't know. Okay, this is looking like it's gonna be the draw. We're just gonna backtest this for backtesting purposes, but we have that mitigation. Therefore, we're gonna look to take this short here off this order block. Stop at this high. Hey, look at SUTS model. Look at SUTS model. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I think I might have to rock with this. It would have worked here on the 5-minute too. I think this is what I might be trading from now on. I think I might have found it. I think I might have found the thing that clicks. So you have the breaker, and then you take the order block that forms off the breaker. Show us the hourly. All right. We're gonna wait for next day open. It's 3 p.m. Okay. One a.m. All right, this looks kind of bullish. We just took internal range liquidity. I want to see us hold this inverse. We now have low resistance liquidity above us, and I'm expecting the draw to be this fair value gap above us. I want to see what did sessions do. London accumulated above midnight opening. Okay, we engaged this. We're respecting bullish PD areas right now. We could have New York reversal. That's definitely a possibility. All right, 7 a.m. I'm expecting this to be the soup. Expecting this to just be a stop raid. Still bullish. Okay, let's see. This does look kind of bearish. Market just opened. Let's see if we get displacement higher. This looks kind of bearish. Do we have SMT at the lows? If we have SMT at the lows, you can maybe frame. It doesn't look like we do. Okay. Yeah, I'm expecting the draw to be lower. Unless we get a market structure shift. Alright, market structure shift. This actually could be bullish still. I was touching this original consolidation here. Alright, so what are we mapping out? Breaker. Draw gets mad. You win anything? No. We're kind of just backtesting. I don't really like what price is doing right now. Okay, this could be something decent though. Should we use the SUTS model? Should we try to use the SUTS model? Alright, we just took buy side. We could have someone. We could have someone here. Am I tweaking or is that green candles? Oh no. For backtesting, for FX replay, I put on green candles. I was expecting the draw to be these highs up here. SUTS model. Nothing yet off the SUTS model. Actually, this is SUTS model here. This is SUTS model. SUTS model. Alright, the draw is not these highs. The draw is not really these highs. So, this is then when we could just switch biases. The draw is this low. So this order block now becomes your real entry. Did we take the low? Not yet. Alright, I'm gonna enter it here. It's gonna be a close proximity entry. Targeting these equal lows. 1 to 1. We'll take it. 1%. Oh, I got stopped out again. Look at what price is doing here. It's teasing liquidity. That's not very good. Looking like gold right now. But I'm expecting the draw. Ooh, I'm expecting the draw to be those lows. Yeah, now I think we're ready. Now let's short this Suts model. Let's see if it plays out. I'm expecting it to, but I don't like this price action at all. This does not look like price action you want to be in. Alright, let's do 2%. Let's see. Last try here. Yeah, this is. I'm moving the stop to break even. I do not like this price action. So does that end up playing out? That was terrible, horrible price action. Or was it? We just chopped within this. Look at where price went this whole day. 100 points. Wait, is this a Monday? Wednesday? There's gotta be some news event. There's no shot. Okay. Yeah, I don't really like price action right now. So we're gonna backtest the Suts model. So if that disturbs you, hey, there's always other programs out there. Oh, I need to align these. It's lagging. Damn. Yeah, that was pre-CPI. 1,000% that's CPI. Can I pull up the economic calendar? I'm not gonna look to see what CPI does. Anytime you have a big imbalance, I'm just gonna mark consequent encroachment. See, was there a Suts model? There was. There was. It would have been this order block. Take it to consequent encroachment. That would have been some nice points there. Alright, what's the draw? I'm expecting consequent encroachment of the fair value gap. Alright, consequent encroachment's been met of that big fair value gap. Still looks bullish. Any way we can catch like a pullback? Alright, let's speed this up to 5 minutes. Alright, then we just took highs. Maybe if we come back to this 5 minute imbalance, we can get something. I don't know. I don't like this type of price action. This would be Suts model here. Wait, would it? Yeah. I don't know if the context's there, so. Gonna take it to this. We'll go limit. Alright. Let's see. I don't know if this doesn't look good at all. Yeah, this is not the draw. This was just a pullback. I don't like this price action, so I want to actually trade this just backtesting purposes. So it kind of Suts model can kind of tell you what the draw is. Like if Suts model fails, you know where the draw is. The draw is actually higher. Let's see what the actual Suts model was. It was right here, wasn't it? I don't know. This is like, I don't know if I just found like the hidden Easter egg in my trading journey, but like it works every time there's a draw on liquidity. Every time you know the draw on liquidity, it works. But that's kind of cherry picked because you can say that with a lot of things. But you have that mitigation, and then you take the order block that forms within the mitigation. I need to get this trademarked. I bet someone else. I bet it's already a thing. Yeah, nothing I like at all yet. We get added in the Discord. Did bro take sus model? All right. Okay. Yo, there's a hater. There's a hater in the Discord. I was just addressing the hater. There's a hater in the Discord. Why are you trying to pass a prop firm if you aren't profitable, or try to teach people how to trade if you aren't profitable? One, I'm not really teaching. I'm not trying to teach anyone how to trade. Clearly have that in the server disclaimer. And that would be like me trying to choosing to learn a piano from a piano teacher who only started playing a month ago and is supposed to learn from someone who's been playing for decades. My shit's completely free. Like I literally don't. I'm not here to like force you guys to be here. Completely free server and check. Malwood Farhand 2022 membership and core content are the only thing. What's Malwood Farhand? I've never seen that. Yeah, 2022 core content's a lot. Content's a lot. I might go through like the ICT Netflix. I might binge the core content. I don't know. I feel like it's kind of insane. Who is this? Malwood Farhand. Did I spell that right? You said, what's his YouTube? I have not taken anything. I'm not, you know what's actually like very nice is if you're watching like any type of YouTube video, if you have FX replay, if you just go and see like when they recorded it, and if you follow along like on FX replay, I found that that's been very advantageous if you're trying to learn. 100%. If you're trying to learn ICT concepts, you're trying to learn anything, get FX replay, and then that's the name of one of the guys in the chat. That's what I was thinking. Malin. Oh, I'm tripping. Oh, I see now. You think 2022 membership is a good beginning? Yeah, I would watch 20. I don't know. What I did personally is, so what I did is I if you guys look in the core content, or if you guys look in the help free resources, this guy has notes on the 2022 mentorship. So I went and I took notes of his notes, and then I made a slideshow of his notes. That's how I did the 2022 mentorship, but I have seen some videos on 2022 mentorship. But I will say, homie switching up. Oh, he has a server. What's his Discord? Should I tell you with the TradingView tip? Go to NQ. Yeah. I use, yeah, that's what I use. 2023? I use 2024. What's the difference between 2023 and 2024? I use 2024. Well, wait. Go to. Hold up. This could be something here. We could have a possible setup. I actually do kind of like this now. I do kind of like this. I want to see Sut's model play out, and I will take Sut's model. Look at this low resistance liquidity though. Failure swings, failure swings, failure swings. Is this a higher? Is this a? Is it an hourly imbalance? We don't have an imbalance at all. This would be your early entry on Sut's model. I don't know if I can keep on saying Sut's model. I don't like saying that. This would be a very early entry. I'm waiting to backtest instead of using. Wait, hold up. I see what you're saying. Why use this instead of FX? Oh, does it? Cause it's the actual month, or so it shows you all the data within that month. Is that what you're saying? February to June. So it shows you all the data between this contract. Alright, notice how we're consolidating? You know notice how we're consolidating? We can't consolidate. We can't go from a consolidation to a reversal. So we're gonna keep expanding here on ES. Is this gonna steady be expansion? Is that what you're saying? Is that kind of what you're saying though? Like it gives you all the data for free instead of having to pay for FX replay? And then can you do that with every contract? Yeah. I mean, I guess you can't really see higher time frames. Is this like accurate though? Or now it's probably accurate. Bro might have just gave me the sauce. Alright, we're just gonna go to a random. We're just gonna go to a very random market maker model, and we're gonna see such model play out. Alright, this is a random. Where was the draw? The draw was these lows here. Alright, what are you looking to enter? Breaker, and then the order block that forms of that breaker. Okay, breaker. Order block that forms. You take this entry off the order block. For risk reward, and then you can even look to maybe have a add to that. All right, let's look at another example. Okay, draw on liquidities all the way up here. The draw on liquidities, this original consolidation. Then have mitigation. What are you taking? You're taking the order block. It's not I don't know, this kind of clicks for me, honestly, which I'm gonna start using it. That ends up being the draw on liquidity. I mean, it is hindsight. If you have the draw on liquidity, it's there every single time, or I would say most times. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do a random. Did we take this high? Yeah, barely. Okay, what are you looking for? Oh, where is that? Oh, order block. Get bought up. Then you get a possible reaccumulation here. Enter it on this order block. Buy side gets man. Okay, we'll do another one. Sell model here. First breaker. And you're choosing the order block range that gets formed within here. Okay, maybe you can enter in on here, but that's a little bit hindsight. But yeah, it's still there. Okay. Let's say that we'll use this. What are you looking for? Order block range. Include this wick. Like it's there every single. It's bread and butter, honestly. And I honestly might just start using it every single time, cause it's there. I need to backtest it a lot more and get. Obviously, draw on liquidity is number one. You have a draw on liquidity. Okay, market maker sell model here. Looking for a breaker. it's a low, high, lower, low. Okay, say you just use this whole thing. Okay, then you use the order block within there. It needs to be here. Boom, you get taps. It's not the greatest risk though. All right. Yeah, we're gonna expand here, because we can't go from consolidation to reversal. We're gonna expand to this high. If the market cycles, you can't go from expansion to reversal. Yeah, low-key, I'm gonna cancel my FX replay then, because I don't need... Yo, low-key, y'all. I don't know. What are y'all feeling? I don't think that there's gonna be anything. And I don't know. I'm probably just gonna keep on backtesting today. So I might honestly head out here. How much she pay? It's like $30 a month. But if I could get it for free, then I might as well cancel it. I'm expecting an expansion here, and then after that, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm actually gonna head out. I'm just gonna continue to backtest, and I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys Monday. I'll be in a new setup. Obviously, I'll have other videos posted, but I'll see you guys Monday for the live. But I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate the support. But yeah, we'll be back live Monday. I really appreciate it, and yeah.